What is the primary purpose of the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA? So when you see primary purpose, this is something you want to keep in mind when you look at the choices, because you might see certain choices that might sound good, like maybe they do certain things that maybe OSHA does, but when it says primary purpose, we want to just look at an overall summary of everything that this organization is used for. So option A says to regulate and enforce safety standards in all healthcare settings. And yeah, that sounds somewhat similar because it's saying to regulate, enforce safety standards in all healthcare settings, but there's something that's missing here, right? Occupational safety. So when you think of an occupation, that's like your job, so that has to do with your employers, right? So the people who are working in this setting. So it has to do with the health and safety of all the workers in this setting, in the healthcare setting. So this option A sounds similar, but it loses the part about the occupational safety, about the workers. So we can eliminate option A. There's a better choice here. Option B says to manage workers' compensation claims and ensure employee benefits. So occupational safety might in some capacity eventually lead to workers' compensation if there's a certain case that's involving that, but we're looking for the primary purpose of what OSHA is here for. And for managing compensation claims, that's not the primary purpose of OSHA, so we can eliminate option B. Option C says to ensure safe and healthful working conditions for employees across various industries. So we see the healthful working conditions across various industries, but we see here what's important is ensure safe and healthful working conditions for employees, and it has to do with this occupational safety. So option C is looking like a good choice, so let's choose option C, but we'll look at option D just to be sure. And then option D here says to investigate workplace accidents and issue fines for safety violations. So this is kind of similar to B, where maybe OSHA might have some part involving investigating or accidents, maybe if something's a violation of OSHA. But again, we are looking for the primary purpose here, and option C describes that. Option D, not so much. So option C, to ensure safe and healthful working conditions for employees across various industries. This is the primary purpose of OSHA.